at Dr. Sherman's office in Nashville, and I've started to use the OBAGI products for my skin here. I am getting a little bit older and noticing brown spots, and I don't like to wear makeup every day. So we've had this scheduled for a long time. I'm gonna do this thing called a blue peel. And let me show you guys what it is. This is like the preparation stuff. And apparently Vaseline will be my friend to keep my dry face as it peels. And then this is a cooler machine. So I get to hold the cooler machine on my face, because apparently it can be a little uncomfortable. I took some medication. Oh my God, I almost dropped the phone. I just swallowed some medication, and I'm just gonna Uber home. My face is gonna be blue, and I've been advised not to really go anywhere for 10 days, but that's a little impossible. So I'm gonna document my progress for my skin each day. What's really cool is I've already seen the difference. 6 weeks ago when I started using the OBAGI system, which I can travel with it. It's got all the steps on it. It's really neat. But I've had this plan for like a quarter, like 3 months, and I'm so excited to finally get it done because I want to get the brown spots away from my skin so I don't feel like I have to wear makeup all the time. So we'll see each day how I peel and make progress. Oh my God, look at how blue my face is. How did I do? These are the girls, the awesome team. So it's stinging, but it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's not as bad as the dentist. So let me just say that. It's tolerable. And this air thing right here, it's a lifesaver. Makes you feel good. So I just washed my face for the first time on night 1, and I can see it already getting like tight. Some of the blue came off though with the cleanser. Hope that's normal. It's been 24 hours since I had the OBAGI Blue Peel, and some of the blue has come off, mainly around my cheeks, and then I've started to like peel a little bit over here. So I'm headed to a haunted house, and I'm gonna wear a black wig and be Avatar. I am on day 2 of the blue pill, and my skin's super red, and I guess it's about to start peeling. It seems really tight and dry, and still pretty blue up here. And I'm going into the doctor tomorrow morning for her to take a look at it. I am on day 4 of the OBAGI Blue Peel, and I went to the doctor this morning. She's not real happy with how my cheek's doing over here. I guess for me, like sleeping on it or going to a haunted house and being around cigarette smoke and like strobe lights probably was not the best thing for me to do. But you can see where it's about to start peeling, and it's already started peeling here and here. And the hardest thing ever is not to touch my face. Like, it is crazy. So I got some ointment to put on this. So hopefully that goes away soon. I'm just getting ready to go to bed and wanted to document my cheek is getting a little better, and my forehead's getting less blue, and I'm starting to peel. I had some skin come off today. Today is day 5 of the peel. I still have lots of peeling to go. It's peeled around here. I'm still fairly blue here. And my little cheek over here is not doing so hot. It looks like I've been burned or something. Nothing in the world. Putting some antibiotics on it. Today is day 6, the morning of the peel. And I still have it cracked over here. It's about to, I can tell. This side, headed to get some more ointment for it. I just want it to all crack. It is nighttime, day 6, and I'm choking. Okay, I'm back. So this side has started to peel, and I'm still peeling down here, and this side is still struggling, just a little. My forehead is still pretty dang blue. Going to the doctor in the morning to see how we're doing. Straight on, it looks like I just have on like a lot of blush, which could be kind of funny. I'm on day 7 of the blue peel, and my forehead is still really blue. It hasn't even started peeling, but this cheek is getting better, and this cheek is coming along. I think all this area is almost done, maybe on my nose, but oh my god, like my forehead, it's got to start peeling, and I'm losing my voice. Today is day 7. It's been exactly a week since the peel, and I feel like it's looking much better. And I still haven't really completely peeled from the top. Still a little red. It is day 9 of the blue peel, and I feel like I'm almost done. With tomorrow being day 10, I'm still peeling quite a bit up here and on the sides of my face. It looks like to me I just kind of have like I had a bad sunburn, and I'm getting, like I'm peeling from a sunburn. So, and this will clear up, I know. So far, I mean, my skin is definitely softer, but I won't really know until like I'm totally done peeling. Today is day 10 of the OBAGI peel. Yay! I'm almost there. Still a little red and a little bit of peeling, but feeling pretty good. Just went to my last doctor's appointment for the OBAGI skin peel, and still a little red, so I've got to go back in 2 weeks and see if this is cleared up. But overall, my skin is super, super soft, and I'm very happy with the results. Thank you, Dr. Sherman, for being awesome. I still don't have a voice, but I'm gonna work on that. And I've had lots of people ask me, would I do this again? And absolutely, I would just make sure that you plan ahead so that you can take some time at home. And that's what I did. I booked myself solid with webinars and modules and things that I needed to video, where I didn't have to show my face, so I was still able to get a ton of work done, but I lost my voice from talking too much. So yes, I would definitely do it again. I think the OBAGI Blue Peel and the products, as well as making sure the right person and the right team is taking care of your overall skincare, is super important. So yes, I would totally do it again. Probably I'll do it once a year, just to be preventative as I get older.